You just said you're allergic to water. So...
Are you a doctor? Do you know?
Hey, okay, it's been just 2 minutes and already there's a ruckus. Can you please behave?
Just give him the bottle. He needs it after all the useless yelling. Anyways, let's settle in. Wow! Patient? Hand me the damn tumbler. I don't need that. Uncultured. Okay, now that everyone is here, let's start practicing the first phase.
Okay. Let's not forget this position, everybody. We are doing Act 1, Scene 1. Alright? Let's get to your positions and please behave. Alright? Let's go.
हे राम, इतने पैसे? 2000 रुपए? अरे भाई, कपड़े या सोना पैसे क्या पेड़ पे उगते हैं जो हर दूसरी चीज के लिए भरते रहे? अब इतनी बड़ी हो गई हो, घर के तो काम सीखो वापस। जाओ यहाँ से।
अरे क्या हल्ला मचा रखा है सुबह सुबह घर में? कम से कम चाय तो पीने दो चैन से आदमी को।
बाबा, देखो ना मम्मी को। आपने कहा था कि अगर मैं डिस्टिंक्शन लाई तो आप मुझे करने दोगे थिएटर।
बेटा जाओ अपनी मम्मी से पूछ लो।
बाबा। और पापा पापा, अब वो सब छोड़ो। अब प्लीज मुझे थिएटर कैंप के पैसे दे दो ना। बस 5000 रुपए।
बस 5000 रुपए? ये थिएटर करने की बजाय इतने में तो हम दहेज जमा कर लेते हैं। और इसमें क्या रखता है? ड्रामा तो घर में रोटी करती है, इसमें सीखना क्या है?
बेटा सुनो, अगर कैंप जाना है तो पैसे खुद से जमा कर लो और चली जाओ। अब ज्यादा मम्मी से बहस नहीं करने का। जाओ सब। सुबह दिमाग खराब कर रखी है।
God. Okay.
Here we go. Again taking the spotlight.
I heard that, but I pretend I didn't. Anyways, everyone is doing so good.
So good? Are you kidding me right now? Joshan is acting like a kid. Sid has one line, but he's singing a song instead of mocking her. Akansha is acting like she wants to go to a nail salon, not a dream workshop. Even Kavita is messing up a line. If this is good work, either you don't know theatre or I'm stupid.
Oh, you're not stupid. You don't have to pretend that. But you should have told me. You were going to crash out. I should have just recorded it for the gram. Angry Yetman reels are so popular these days.
Everything is so sloppy and you are worried about your reels. If this is the pace, we will not even move on from the first scene. देखा, यही होता है। मुझे थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आ जाता है और मैं कुछ भी बोल देता हूँ। मैं ना अब बोलना ही बंद कर दूंगा। वो ज़्यादा ठीक रहेगा ना, क्योंकि ये लोग को तो कुछ सुनाई देता नहीं है, ना लाइंस, ना क्यूज, ना कुछ। ये सब इनके लिए बस हवा है। मैं इतनी मेहनत करूँ, इतना पत्थर ढूंढूं तब से, और ये लोग अपनी लाइन भी नहीं याद करके आते हैं। मैं क्या करूँगा? एक काम करता हूँ, गिव अप ही कर देता हूँ। भीड़ में एक चेहरा बन के रह जाता हूँ और अपनी फिल्म डिग्री लेके घूमूंगा इधर से उधर, और उसके लिए कुछ नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा। हाँ, और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता मेरा। लेकिन नहीं, मैं सूरज हूँ यार। मैं गिव अप नहीं कर सकता। गिव अप मैं नहीं कर सकता। मैं इस स्टूपिड कॉलेज प्ले क्यों ना हो, लेकिन मैं इसको ठीक करके दिखाऊंगा। मैं गिव अप नहीं करूँगा। मैं गिव अप नहीं करूँगा।
First, you need to fix your thing. I swear to God.
Guys, let's break it up. Let's take a break. I don't think this fighting is going to solve anything.
I agree. Let's take a break. Anyways, lots of sweat can lead to a ball.
I'm going to the washroom, guys. I'll be back. Hi, light on karo. Hey bro, sit, wait man, where are you going? Come on, what's the hurry?
Nothing, bro.
Oh, we are back to the one word answers again. Huh? No, you seem very unusual these days. What's the matter?
There is nothing you can do with it, okay?
See, if it's about your music channel, I can help you. Why did it got banned?
How do you know about my
Oh,
tuition?
you are the one who said it to me 3 days ago.
But I don't remember telling you anything about my senior account.
God, it was on a call and you quite forget many things. तेरा रोज का बहाना है.
It could be, but it's not bad. I am the one who did it.
What? Why would you do that? It was so good.
I just don't feel like singing anymore, okay? I won't do it.
No, bro, that was really good. You know, Seth, what? I was thinking that you will be the one who is singing for the play.
What? Are you stupid or something? I'm definitely not going to do that. And this is the end of the discussion, please. Please don't talk about it anymore, okay? क्या करूँ मैं? मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मैं यहाँ पे कर क्या रहा हूँ। मैं तो बस यहाँ पे आया था, पता नहीं कैसे मुझे यहाँ रोल मिल गया। मेरे पास एक सिंगल लाइन है जो मैं अच्छे से कर पा रहा हूँ, ना मैं अच्छे से बोल पा रहा हूँ कुछ। मैं यहाँ पे हूँ क्यों यार? मेरी सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत ये है कि मैं बार बार ट्राई करता हूँ और मुझे वही रोक देना चाहिए। मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए ट्राई। मैं बार बार गिरता हूँ, बार बार उठता हूँ, बट फिर भी मैं बार बार ट्राई पता नहीं क्यों करता हूँ। मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए कुछ। हाँ, मुझे पोस्टर अच्छा लगा इस शो का और जोशन अच्छा दोस्त बन गया और कुछ नहीं, बस शायद मैं इसीलिए यहाँ पे हूँ। मुझे सब कुछ छोड़ देना चाहिए। मुझे नहीं करना है कुछ। आई एम लिविंग। Bro, listen. Please don't talk about my singing to anyone. And this is the end of the discussion, please.
Whatever you want.
You guys, you should all go to the well. I really like the waterfalls there.
Anyways, I think we need to streamline this production. And I think we need to do better in rehearsal. And also, I think rehearsal is a mess. And we need to do better.
Why are you peasants talking to me? Is there no culture left in the world?
Can you please leave your character at home? We do not need Juliet right now.
Seriously, I think I'm the only one taking this seriously. And I think you two should start doing that too, you know. How can you be so unserious about this whole production, huh? You don't even resemble a neighborhood auntie right now, let alone her mother. You should start working on that, okay? And you should start practicing being Romeo right here. What are you doing here, huh? And why are you so interested in vacation destinations?
You don't need to worry about that. I get private lessons from, I can't tell their name, they have sworn me to secrecy. But yeah, I get private lessons from a very famous person. So, you don't need to worry about that.
Sure, I bet they have worked in movies. And I know you cannot name the person, but you can maybe name the movie. Huh?
अब क्या बोलूँ मैं? मुझे तो कोई नहीं पता। किसी भी रैंडम नेम ले तू। नहीं नहीं यार, क्यों बोल देती हूँ मैं झूठ? मैं क्यों बोलती हूँ झूठ? मैंने झूठ बोला ही क्यों? सिंपल मदद मांग लेती किसी से, बट नहीं। अब क्या बोलूँ मैं? बात बदल दूँ, पर बात बदल के बोलूँगी क्या? किसी को मेरी कहानी नहीं सुननी, सब मुझसे झूठ ही चाहते हैं, तो बोल देती हूँ मैं झूठ। इसमें दिक्कत क्या है? मुझे भी बनना है कविता की तरह स्मार्ट और रीमा की तरह पैशनेट, बट मैं नहीं बन सकती। मैं चाह के भी किसी से मदद नहीं मांग सकती। अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं और मैं क्या बोलूं। Well, you wouldn't know anyways, so there's no point.
Well, that's what I thought. Anyways, we need a good performance. I wondered why she lies too much. She is pretty, लेकिन फिर उसे किसी भी बात में झूठ बोलने की क्या जरूरत है? And even with everything, she's nice. हाँ, मैं उसकी friend बनना चाहती हूँ, but I don't know. और वैसे भी जब कोई नहीं देख रहा होता है, तब मैंने उसे देखा था हॉस्टल के पीछे प्रैक्टिस करते हुए। शायद अगर मैं भी सुंदर होती तो मेरी भी झूठ पे कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता। But anyways, तब तक सिर्फ किताबों में ही घुस सकती हूँ। कुछ भी इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है मेरे बारे में। अगर मैं अपना वेट लूज कर लूं तो शायद तब तक सिर्फ किताबों में ही पता नहीं क्यों ही मैंने ड्रामा कर लिया।
Okay, since Sid and Josh come back, let's get back to positions.
Everyone, can you please focus here? Alright, we are going to do a scene from Act 2, Scene 4. Alright, let me explain the setting to you. Alright, we are at the acting camp. She has clearly paid for it. And we are going to do a scene from Romeo and Juliet. Reema is Romeo, Kavita is Juliet, and Karthik is the instructor giving them instructions to do the scene. Alright, let's go.
कहाँ है रोमियो? कहाँ है मेरे प्रिय स्वामी रोमियो? मैं इस खिड़की से आपकी एक झलक देखने का बहुत ही चाह है रोमियो।
इधर इधर बाजू में इस नाले के पास में यहीं बस गए हैं। नजरें नीचे करो जूलियट।
क्या कोई सीढ़ी वगैरह नहीं है यहाँ?
यहाँ सीढ़ी नहीं होगी।
Just that. What is the problem? Imagine the ladder. Just imagine. In capitalism, we imagine things, right? You imagine you have food. Similarly, you imagine you have a ladder.
अरे imagine ना bro.
Just imagine, okay? Okay, anyway. Positions everyone, let's get back to practice from the first scene. And let me record it also. And go! Juliet, oh मेरी प्रिय, मैं यही हूँ। बिना किसी सीढ़ी के एक गरीब इंसान की तरह नजरें नीचे करो जूलियट।
मैं बहुत ही ऊंचे खानदान की लड़की हूँ और हमारे क्लास के आगे में बिना सीढ़ी वाले का कोई क्लास वैस नहीं है। You have no class, Romeo. मैं नजरें नीचे नहीं कर सकती।
What ऊंचा खानदान? What class are you talking about? You are not from the movie Mother from 1999. All right, you can lower your eyes, please. Can we do this scene again, please?
ओ मेरी प्रिय जूलियट, तुम्हें देखने के लिए मेरे हाथ तरस गए हैं।
Cut.
That's my line.
But she said the wrong line.
Yes, and then I will stop her, bro. Read the script.
This is what I got on a reel. You are going to be #famous.
Can you and you, can we please focus here? Please, yaar. Let's from Karthik's line.
Okay, fine. Okay, ये अच्छा था, ठीक है? लेकिन आपको इसमें और दिल चाहिए, ठीक है? और दिल लगाने हैं इसमें। What is the scene now? हाँ, एक और। इसमें जूलियट की तरफ प्यासी धड़कती हुई मछली जैसे पानी की तरफ फ्लो करेगी ना, वैसे फ्लो करना है। अभी ऐसे लग रहा है कि कल सब्जी वाले को बोल रहे हैं, आ रहा है टमाटर दीजिए, टमाटर। अभी ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि उसको आप बहुत चाहते हैं। गर्लफ्रेंड है आपसे। चलिए दोबारा से करो।
जूलियट, नजरें नीचे करो जूलियट।
अरे नहीं यार, जूलियट नहीं होगा। वो अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड है। ऐसा नहीं होगा यार, ऐसा नहीं होगा। बेबी बोलो। अरे गर्लफ्रेंड को नाम से थोड़ी बुलाते हैं ना आप लोग। हाँ, बेबी बोलो। और एक और चीज, आपको बस प्यार से देखना है, प्यार लगाने दो चेहरा पे, प्यार। और हर एक चीज में थोड़ा पॉज दीजिए। चलो।
बाबू।
You know what? Everyone here is useless. Disgustingly and utterly useless. Especially you. You can't even act like your own dad. Have you not seen your dad or what? It's the basic principle of acting. Even monkeys do it. Then you can't do it.
You should not say something if you don't know about him, okay?
Guys, let's take a break. I feel like this rehearsal is not going anywhere. Let's reconvene after lunch.
I agree.
Suraj, stay back here for a while. எனக்குன்னே வந்திருக்கானுங்களே. 3 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கிரெடிட் கிடைக்குன்னு இந்த புருஷங்களை தான் கூப்பிட்டு வந்து டிராமா பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னேனே, என் புத்திய செருப்பாலேயே அடிச்சுக்கணும்டா. பைத்தியமா இருக்கு, இன்னொரு ஆக்சுவல் பைத்தியமா இருக்கா. இவனுக்கு வச்சுக்கிட்டு thesis work வேற எனக்கு கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணணும். ஒருவேளை என்ன யாரும் தேட வேணான்னு நோட் எழுதி வச்சுட்டு போயிடலாமா? அப்படிதானடா இருக்கு. Probably shouldn't. Captain. God, why did you make me such a good guy? See, Saraja, I understand why you got angry. I understand why you got angry. But this is a play and we really should be working on this together. We need to respect each other for this to work out.
I am quitting. I don't want
I like performing drama, not in my own life. Bye. Peace.
Oh, wait. I didn't even get to read my lines more than once.
I want to stay because I never quit anything.
I am quitting.
Oh, okay, then I am quitting too.
I also don't think this is worth all the headache. Anyways, I have to worry about my Bitcoin and my stocks. So, bye.
Thanks for showing support, Kavita.
Don't worry, Joshan. Heart. Nothing. Wrong emoji. Thumbs up.
Everyone is going, then I won't get to ladies anymore. So I guess I'm quitting too. Hashtag loser Suraj. Hashtag epic fail. Hashtag only.
Thumbs up.
Actually, my brother teaches an anger management course. If you are interested, Suraj.
Guys, please wait. Let's talk more about this first. I'll get back to you about this. God, do I have magic or what? I thought of quitting and everyone quits.
You were thinking of quitting too? You know what? I'll find people who actually care about this play.
No.
I'm also leaving.
No, that's not what I meant. Gosh! What's wrong, sir?
Ring, 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 ring. Ashish, you called me or what?
Yeah, you must have been in your theater practice. Always theater takes priority in your life. You have just forgotten me, you don't remember me, you don't like me anymore.
Come on,
Yeah, of course.
Are you stuck up in practice?
No. You must be still remembering your Juliet, that stuck up. You know, your stuck up version of Juliet.
Oh, come on, okay? Don't talk like that. My version of Juliet actually doesn't care much about Romeo at all, you know. He's pretty self-centered, I guess.
Yeah, you know, she is a teenager who's enamored with a middle-aged man who has just left Rosaline, who he came for the banquet and all, okay? All of her validation is coming from that. So, she is not stuck up. She is more like ready for marriage.
Oh, stop saying that, okay? Psychology student psychoanalyzing everything that you see. My Juliet does not care about Romeo at all. She is both unche khandan ki ladki.
Sure. What Juliet you are doing, I don't know. Okay. How is the play going then? You must be, like really happy with your Juliet or what?
Stop. That was really bad time. I left the theater for section, you know.
Wait, I will understand if they kicked you out, yeah?
Ah, you wish, huh?
Please.
But yeah, they did not kick me out. It was me who actually did.
Well, you know what? That's understandable. It's not like you can get a job in theater, you know. Like, please.
What? Is that what you really think about me? எல்லாரும் என்ன அப்படிதான் பார்க்கறாங்களா? Oh my god, this is the image that I can create. எனக்கு தியேட்டர்னா அவ்வளோ பிடிக்கும், அவ்வளோ. அது என்ன அவ்வளோ பெரிய தப்பா? எனக்கு என் கேரக்டர்ஸ் மாதிரி ஆகணும் ஆசை. அவங்க ரீமாவை விட பெட்டரா இருக்காங்கல்ல எல்லாருமே, they are better than ரீமா. And ஒருத்தவங்க அவங்களோட ஐடென்டிட்டியை வெளியே சொல்லும் போது மற்றவங்க ஏற்றுக்க மாட்டாங்களோன்னு என் கேரக்டர்ஸ் பயப்பட தேவையில்லை. ஐயோ எல்லாரும் விட்டுட்டு போயிடுவாங்களோ அப்படின்னு யோசிக்க தேவையில்லை. That's why I love doing my characters. But அம்மா அப்பா சொல்றதும் எனக்கு கரெக்ட் தான். I cannot get a job with this thing. This will not pay me. But எனக்கு இவ்வளோ பிடிச்ச ஒரு விஷயத்த நான் மணிக்காக விடணுமா? No. I love what I do. I cannot stop doing theater like that. But this is where I end up every time. Whether I'm at rock bottom or a cliff, I reach the first possible place ever. யாரும் என்ன புரிஞ்சுக்கோ மாட்டாங்க, கொஞ்சம் ட்ரை கூட பண்ண மாட்டாங்கல்ல. But no, I love theater. I have to put in the work. I cannot stop doing what I love. I will fight for my happiness. I will. A good job or what, Ashish? You should never talk to me like that, especially you. You know how much this matters to me, right? How can you say something like that to me, huh?
Wait. I was obviously being sarcastic. Wait, what's going on? Why are you so riled up? Why are you so angry?
I'm sorry, but you know, it's just leaving this drama production has gotten into me a lot. Being a part of a play that highlights the struggle of the theatre artist with parents, with society, with friends, all of that has brought out like so many feelings that I get buried inside. I'm sorry for that.
You know what? That's good. Feelings are supposed to be felt. So feel them. Sit with them. Actually go through it. Right? And maybe you'll get better on the other side like that. Right? And also, what if you reached out to other people? You know? Maybe that can help also. Talk to other people, right? What you're struggling with and everything like that. And you know what, Rima? I've always seen you on that stage. You brighten up the stage, right? So you have to perform. You have to keep performing. Go out there, yaar. Make me proud. Come on. I know you can do it.
I will, Ashish. Thank you. I will.
Yeah, you have to. And call me more, please.
Of course.
Take care.
Bye. Hey, Mohit. Sorry for leaving you like that. Is it possible for me to join the play again?
Of course. I also apologize for all the misunderstandings and everything.
It's honestly okay, Mohit. I was just feeling a lot of things. Is Sid on board as well? I know he could.
No, not yet. But I am about to have a conversation with him, though. I need to have a conversation with everybody.
Anyways, thanks for understanding, Mohit. Bye.
No worries. See you at practice. Hey, Sid. Can we talk tomorrow in the cafeteria? It's about the drama.
It's not going to change anything, bro. But I respect you, so I will be.
Thanks for understanding. we have half the cast threatening to quit. We have everything in place now. I placed the orders for the costumes. The set is almost ready for pickup. We cannot have this right now. What's going on? Why do you end up shouting all the time?
I don't know, yaar. I just go on with the flow. I just want this to be perfect. I cannot afford disaster. Drama is everything for me, and you know that. And if I don't do a good work, it will just be right.
But who is there? What are you talking about?
Don't think about that. Let's stay clear the problem that we have right now.
Okay, well, we have tried things your way and see where that has led us. So, what I am going to do right now is try and help you. You know what? Next time you get angry, take a deep breath, count to 5 and think about what you actually want to say to that person. Maybe that will. But for all of that to happen, we actually need to have a cast. So, what we're going to do now is you're going to be a big man and you're going to say sorry. I've told Siddhi, but I think that's Joshin standing right there. Good place for you to stand.
Okay, let's go.
Hey Josh, can we talk for a minute? Suraj has something to say.
You already said enough.
Yeah, man. I said everything I didn't want to say clearly. It would be just grateful if you. I would be just grateful if you would just listen to me, man.
Yeah. Now that the half of the cast left, you'll surely remember to apologize, huh?
Listen, man. I just want you to tell. I want you to know that theatre is my life, and I want to give my life to it. Drama is everything to me. It's just that I want to touch people and reach people through my performance, through my stories. That's all I want to do. And it's my dream from the very start. And I want that dream to come true, man.
Bro, serious second like bro, he's really passionate about it. After that, he kind overaction kind of I was totally wrong. Like, he's really serious about this, and he's really working on it. But see, everyone has a dream. इससे वो रूम पर काम कर रहे पर मैं काइन कर रहा हूँ मार्टिन काइन से like my every play is compared with my father. Say काइन से उससे वो रूम पर काम कर रहे पर what do I have? Coding. तू भी मैं मजाक करूँगी पर मैं काइन करूँ अब करेला मैंने ग्रीन सबको चिता को पढ़ा नहीं सका वो पर तो एक काम करा let us at least live in his dreams. It's okay, yeah. So I got to know that you're really serious about it, and yeah, sure, I'll help you in it. So the dream which you have, it's not that you alone could fulfill it. We'll be a part of it.
Yeah, I understand, man. Thank you for understanding. And I'm really sorry.
No, it's really okay, and now that you are so passionate about it, I'm really excited to work on it.
Okay, man.
Are you sure? I'm sure you don't need to think about it again?
Yeah, that's enough, and I'm really excited now.
Alright, let's go. Hey, wait a second. Is that Sid singing the Aur Karo Theatre from Gopal? That song?
Yeah, the song is, you're not really enough to say here, but
Wait a
no,
second.
he's not really interested
hear
about
it.
it.
और करो थिएटर और करो थिएटर तेरी उम्र हो गई टूटी टूटी कमर हो गई.
This is what we need in our play.
Yeah, but
this is very good, yaar. We should definitely add this in play.
Arey man, listen, he's not ready to do it.
Arey, let's just ask him first, na?
No, he won't do it. He said he'll not.
Bro, no, I still don't want to do it. Okay?
But you're so good.
No means no, bro. I'm not going to do that. I'll be brave. okay? Admittedly. But no singing, please. And this is the end of the discussion, okay? No way I'm singing in front of people, yeah.
Hey, Sid bro. How have you been? Can you send me your Discord username?
Bro, I'm not in the mood to talk right now, okay? So, call me later.
Wait, bro. What's going on?
It's nothing you can do with, bro. So, leave it, huh?
You don't know that.
Okay, so it's about a play. So I like singing, I do sing. But I don't want to continue it anymore, okay? So please stop talking about it.
Bro, I lived with you for your whole life. I could hear you singing in the bathroom for the whole time. I don't know you stopped to.
What do you mean by why stop? You can't remember you were laughing at me whenever I sing? Bro, you crushed all of my confidence. You don't know?
Wait, bro, wait. When did this happen?
Your 18th birthday, bro. Of course you won't know. Because it wasn't even a big deal to you, man. It was nothing for you.
I don't remember because I wasn't laughing at you. No one else was laughing at you either.
What? You were not laughing at me?
Yes, of course not. We were laughing at Pawan uncle getting scared of our dog behind you. Have you been thinking that we are laughing at your singing?
How would I know that? So this whole time, you were not laughing at me.
Of course not, bro. I love it. You sing so nicely.
Okay, right then.
This is why you need to talk to me more, buddy.
Okay, let's do it.
Sure, I'm in US, but don't forget me like this.
Okay then, let's meet my, okay, take it.
Anyways, get me that username and call me later.
Sure,
Bye.
sure.
Hi, bye. I know you said no, but please rethink it. You're really good. Please rethink it. Take your time.
Bro, I thought about it. I am in. I will sing the song that I wrote.
Okay. That's awesome. See you in practice.
Yep.
It's okay.
This seems good. What do you think, Sarita?
Looks good, but I think we should have to stand a little tall towards the light. That part will we can just explore different parts of the poetry as well. Also, we should add, I found this audio on Instagram. We can just mix it with this scene. We can also use the audio that Rima was doing his ad lib, and it will look good. We can also add that cheesy short background effect.
That seems amazing. You're on fire.
Yes! Wow, this is great! ഞാൻ ഇത്ര നാൾ വിചാരിച്ചേ ഞാനൊരു ഫേക്ക് ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസർ ആയിട്ടാണ് എല്ലാവരും എന്നെ കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ളതെന്നാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഞാനൊരു പ്രിറ്റി ഗേൾ മാത്രമല്ല. I have some kind of skills too, right? Okay, Asha side. Kavita nodu help choichide valare adhigam nannai. Kavita is so cool. I think I should get her on my channel too. She deserves to be on my channel. Wow, I'm so relieved and I just can't wait for the performance. Wow. Guys, this is a viral moment. We are going to be #famous.
Guys, we have been practicing for a few days. I just got confirmation on the costumes and said everything is going on good. We are on fire! Yes, but why? No, I understand, but is there no alternative? No. I understand. I'll let the team know. Guys, show is cancelled.
What? No.
There's heavy rainfall warning on the day of our play, and since it's an open air theatre, they can't let us do it. I asked them if they could cover the place up, but they said it's impossible to do it in 3 days. I guess this is the end, guys.
Wait, what did you just say? Even sad. Yeah, just what did he just say? Is the show cancelled? Bro, I am literally doing this for the first time and I'm doing it good for the entire life. This is just one of the best performances I am ever doing it in my entire life, and this is going to get cancelled. Oh bhai. No. I just got smart for what I'm doing right now. And ऐसा नहीं होगा. I should do something. I should do something to make it work. ऐसा नहीं होगा. No. And I have to impress her also, na. So like I have to do something, bro. I'm not letting it go. I'm not letting it go. No way. Wait. So if we find a way to cover up OAT and do, we can still do it, na?
Yeah, in theory, but it's not possible. Let's just go to the hostels for today.
No, bro, like it's definitely not like that. See, you know, my dad has a top, so he can send a lot of people in and cover up the entire OAT. Works, right?
Yes, that should definitely work. Yeah, we should try this. I don't want to give up.
You have to try this, guys. For once, Akansha is not lying. So let's do it.
Okay, I'll make the calls.
seems like I have saved the show. Huh?
You totally did.
Come on, guys, it will be our cue soon. I hope Sid doesn't mess up on the stage.
और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर। 23 की उम्र हो गई, टूटी टूटी कमर हो गई, ना नौकरी ना लॉटरी। और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर। उल्लू कब के मोर हो गए, सुबह के अब 4 हो गए, ना लाइन है ना टाइम है, सोते रह गए घर। और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, करते ही रहो। और करो थिएटर, ऑडियंस की ताली होगी, घर में लेकिन गाली होगी, कब जाएगी बेटी फिर भी स्टेज पे रो रो कर। और करो थिएटर, हो, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर।
अभी बाकी है।
हो, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर। इस पे अब तो क्रांति होगी, मन में फिर भी शांति होगी, कभी रोमियो कभी जूलियट, हैमलेट हट कर। हो, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर। हंसते रोते साथी होंगे, कुत्ता बंदर हाथी होंगे, लड़ लड़ के भी प्यार दिखाए, इसे कहे थिएटर। तो और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर, और करो थिएटर,
करते रहो।
और करो थिएटर, और
I'm just a star.
I didn't know Joshi was such a good ad giver. He totally saved that scene, yeah.
Oh my god, so many mistakes, but it was just so epic. Hashtag epic. History being made.
That was so good. I am very happy. I never want to stop doing this.
Yeah, see, that is what I do theatre for.
Also, our singing talent.
You guys were amazing. Everything was perfect.
Let's be honest, I was the best Romeo.
But still, Kavita was my favorite. I liked it so much. I want to marry her, you know.
Hello, please. You find someone else. Which is always.
Okay, guys, let's go. Dinner's on me, but let's take a photo.
Yes! Come on, guys.
I hope that everyone here is taking home some part of the happiness that we felt on the stage today. And just as we reach a goodbye, I just want to say,
Oh!